In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install extensions in the Brave browser from the Chrome Web Store. Let's get started by opening the Brave browser. Look toward the top right corner of the window and click the three-line menu icon, sometimes called the hamburger menu. This opens Brave's main menu, where you can find settings and tools that help you customize your browsing experience. From that menu, go to Extensions and then choose Manage Extensions. This takes you to Brave's extensions page. Think of this as your control center for add-ons. It's where you can see what you have installed and where you'll go to add new ones. On the Manage Extensions page, you'll see a link to the Chrome Web Store. Go ahead and click that. Brave is built on Chromium, the same foundation as Google Chrome, which means it can use most extensions from the Chrome Web Store without any extra setup. The store will open in a new tab. Once you're there, use the search bar at the top left to find the tool you want. You can search for popular options like Grammarly or LastPass, or look for any extension that fits your needs. As you browse results, take a moment to glance at the star ratings, the number of users, and the developer information. These are helpful indicators of quality and reliability. It's also a good idea to skim the overview and the permissions list so you know exactly what access the extension requests. When you found the extension you want, click its listing to open the details page. Here, press the Add to Brave button. A confirmation pop-up will appear, summarizing the permissions the extension needs. Read through that carefully, and if everything looks right, select Add Extension to proceed. Brave will download and install the extension automatically. After a moment, you'll see a confirmation notification letting you know it's been added. If you see a message that it's already installed, that simply means you had it before and there's nothing more you need to do. That's it. Your extension is now ready to use in Brave. If you ever want to review what's installed or adjust settings, just return to the extension section through the same menu where we started. And remember, installing from the Chrome Web Store is usually the safest route, but always verify the developer and permissions for peace of mind. Thanks for watching. If this walkthrough helped, you're all set to enhance Brave with the tools you need.